Hi guys, welcome back to Kylie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and we are going to prepare this amazing curry fish with corn. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KylieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kylie J's Kitchen. So here I have my fish and I'm using sliced fish today, but you can always go ahead and use whole fish if you have whole fish at home. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and season my fish. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add some of my all-purpose seasoning to this. I will also add some oregano. I will also add some onion powder, some garlic powder. I will also add a little bit of salt and also some black pepper. Rub all of that seasoning nicely on my fish, and once it's finished seasoning, I'll just cover it and put it aside for roughly about 15 minutes. All of these ingredients that I'm using, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. You can visit your local fish market. Of course, you'll get sliced fish there as well as whole fish. I also went ahead and chopped up some onions, some scallion, my carrots, some thyme. I will also add some more garlic and all of that goodness to my fish. You can always go ahead and have this with some white rice. You can have it with rice and peas. You can have it with mashed potato. If you want to have it by itself, you can always go ahead and do so. It's really easy and simple to prepare. So I went ahead and put on my pot that I'm going to prepare my fish in. I also added a little bit of oil to it, and then I'm going to add my curry powder. Now, I like to add 2 curry powder, so I'm going to add my Maggie curry powder and of course my Indian curry. I will also go in with some pimento berry and garlic. You don't want your curry to burn too much. You don't want it to get too dark. So now I'm going to go in, add my onion, my Scotch bonnet pepper. I will also go in and add my thyme and all of that goodness that I mentioned earlier. Combine all of that goodness together, and then I'm going to go in and add my carrots. Now, if you have other vegetables that you want to add to this, you can always go ahead and do so. Please ensure that you combine everything together nicely, because you always want to ensure that everything is nicely combined and evenly distributed. Once everything is nicely combined, I'm going to go ahead and add some water. Now, if you want to add coconut milk, you can always go ahead and do so. If you have the authentic coconut milk at home, or if you have the coconut milk powder, you just add it. Allow that to come to a boil before you add anything else. And of course, you want to always taste, just in case you want to add a little bit more salt or a little bit more of your all-purpose seasoning. Please ensure that you turn your stove on medium heat while doing all of this. So once this comes to a boil nicely, I will go in and add my fish. Now, once you add the fish, you're just going to take up some of that sauce and just pour it over the fish. This should take you roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. Really easy, really simple. And remember to turn your stove on medium heat. Don't turn it up too high. And of course, you want some of the sauce. As for the corn, I went ahead already and just boiled the corn. And you can always go ahead and use the regular corn, or you can go ahead and use the sweet corn. It's up to you what you want to do, all right? So let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing curry fish. Let me know if you're going to try it. Let me know if you're a lover of seafood or what you like. What's your favorite food, all right? So once you're finished adding the fish, we're just going to go ahead and add the corn, and it's the same procedure. You're just going to take up some of that nice sauce and pour it over your corn. And then once you finish adding all of that goodness, what you're going to do, you're just going to cover it and allow it to just cook. Once it's finished cooking, I will come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing curry fish. Stay tuned for all of that goodness. And there you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing curry fish with corn. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you again for watching. We're on our way to 8K subscribers. Remember to share. Remember to recommend my channel to your friends and your families and have them subscribe. Bye guys, and see you tomorrow.